Yeah, my daughter's just got into her hairdressing.
Has she?
Yeah, she's just found a little job in Welling.
Oh.
And she's going to she goes to that one in where?
North Hearts.
Yeah.
College.
Is it, yeah, the one that's in where, I don't know what it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's doing that one. But
it's good that she's got herself a job. She's going to do the apprenticeship.
so she's not doing well, saying that her thing isn't an apprenticeship because she's at college.
Yeah.
So she's doing level 2, is it, or something?
Yeah.
But then the job that she's got, she's like, I know you're not my apprentice, but I'll be treating you like an apprentice. So
that's what she needs.
yeah, so she's happy about that. So yeah, she's getting the best of both worlds. She's getting the full time at college.
And she's in the salon.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did the right thing.
Long hours.
It is.
Very long hours.
She's got to try and stick with it as
Yeah.
much as she can.
Oh yeah, she loves it. I mean, she said at college there's some not so nice girls there,
I know.
but she's going to stick with it. So right, give me 2 secs. Just got to go and see what I've got in the van to replace this. Right. Right. I've got an exact replacement. 2.5 inch, job done. That's bonnet, pull it, twist it. This brass. Is two keys enough?
Oh yes, it is.
Yeah, no worries. I was only asking because I cut keys on the van, so.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
If I need any more, would
Yeah, I mean, all you.
Alex be able to cut?
Yeah, Alex will be able to cut them. Yeah. That's it. Job done. Where's your old key so we can check it doesn't work? Just to be sure.
It'd be just like that, wouldn't it?
Well, I've had it happen once.
Oh no.
Yeah, I have to go way back. So, the key looks totally different, but we will check it. That's it. Yeah, it looks totally different as well. Let's take this one off the ring for you.
Yeah. Well, if your daughter needs any advice or anything, just give us a shout and
Yeah.
I'll do what I can to help
Yeah.
her.
Yes, it's quite, because she had to do everything off her own back.
Oh,
They're looking for like somewhere to get a job.
How old is she?
She's 16.
Oh,
Yeah.
do you know what? It's not easy going into. These are the new ones.
Yeah. Yeah, but she's quite determined. She loves her hair and beauty and all that lot.
Yeah.
As well.
She's in the right industry.
So.
She will do absolutely brilliantly.
Yeah.
Keep telling her that the beginning is hard work.
Yeah, yeah. Well, she said she loved the job when she went for her first day. Yeah, let me just turn this off.